Survive outdoors longer allows you to explore with the security of knowing you have the best survival tools, kits, and shelters to keep you alive and help you be found. The Escape Pro Bivvy is Survive Outdoors Longer most advanced sleep system with its revolutionary Sympatex reflection fabric that is heat reflective, breathable, waterproof, and stretchable to provide you dry, warm comfort you can trust. The Sympatex reflection fabric reflects up to 90% of your body heat back to you to keep you warm. This highly breathable and waterproof fabric allows condensation to escape to keep you dry and comfortable. The 16-inch long zipper opening makes it easy to get in and out, and the seams are taped to keep water from penetrating the shell, keeping you dry on those wet nights in the backcountry. The draw cord closure allows you to cinch the hood tight to keep the warmth in and the elements out. The Bivvy optimally fits a person 6 foot 2 inches and under. Use the Escape Pro to increase the temperature rating of your sleeping bag by 15 degrees Fahrenheit, or as a shell to keep your bag dry. The expanded footbox and stretchable fabric gives you room to get comfortable. On nights warmer than 45 degrees Fahrenheit, lighten your pack and save space by using the Escape Pro as your sleeping bag, wearing light insulation to provide the warmth you need. Ideal for ultralight backpack, overnight kayak, and long-distance bikepacking trips. At only 8.4 ounces, you can save some serious weight and have the shelter you need. Wherever your adventure takes you, the Escape Pro Bivvy should be an integral part of your gear kit.
The casting warp thorn is kind of multifunctional carry-on shovels made of more than 50 processes and 100% molding and casting, suitable for fishing, outdoor camping, wild survival and rescue, etc. The casting process, high-temperature quenching treatment with high toughness, high wear resistance, corrosion resistance, and so on. Unique 6-position shift keys can make the shovel toward your expected angle in one step. Aviation-grade aluminum handle with a stacked diamond-shaped nerved design that is comfortable and non-slip. Its multifunction digging, shovel, and couching can make you more than enough in various environments. You need a gear to go outdoor.
Survive Outdoors Longer allows you to explore with the security of knowing you have the best survival tools, kits, and shelters to keep you alive and help you be found. The Phoenix is a cleverly designed, multi-purpose survival tool that packs 8 survival features into the shape, size, and weight of a pocket knife. Start a fire, light your way around camp, cut up your meal, or use the 3 to 7 millimeter wrench and flathead screwdriver to fix gear. Throw it in your day pack, and you'll know you have what you need when the unexpected happens. The Phoenix tool includes everything you need to start a fire, including waterproof tinder, a ferrule rod, and striker. Use the back of the knife as a striker to create a shower of sparks to ignite the tinder. The tinder will burn for up to 3 minutes even when wet. The multi-tool fixed blade knife can not only be used to start a fire, but you can also cut kindling and rope or fillet your fish with the drop point blade with serrated edge. Use the size 3 to 7 millimeter wrench to repair your gear. The flathead screwdriver can be used to open the battery compartment on the tool. Use the LED light to light your way around camp, or clip the tool to your hat to use it as a headlamp. Press the light button once for high beam, once more for low beam, or a third time to start the light flashing for an emergency signal. Batteries can be replaced with size 3-volt batteries available at most hardware stores. Signal your location to friends or rescuers with the built-in 100 decibels whistle. Add some peace of mind to your next adventure by putting this 7-ounce multifunctional tool in your day pack for that unexpected emergency. This multi-use fire starting tool can be the difference between a nice night around the fire.
Trail-based water filter kit to be the most versatile backcountry water filter system ever. With its ability to transform from a trail filter into a gravity system, it's perfect for adventurers who explore the backcountry in multiple ways. The trail-based filter kit features 3 modular components that allow it to be used as a small trail filter for fast and light adventures or a complete gravity system at camp. And its clean reservoir offers ultra-light water storage. For hiking, trail running, or any fast-paced backcountry objective, the small trail filter is the ultimate water filter. With its quick deploy design, you can drink instantly from water sources along the trail. Then fill up your water bottles and get moving quickly again. The trail filter delivers 1 liter of clean water in just 60 seconds. This pocket-sized filter gives you the freedom to go farther and move faster. It provides the clean water you need in a solution that won't weigh you down. When it's time to filter larger volumes of water, the trail filter transforms into a complete gravity system. Simply attach the gravity components to the trail filter. Add the clean reservoir and let gravity do the work while you multitask or relax. The trail-based filter uses hollow fiber technology that meets the highest standards for removing protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. The filter lasts up to 2,000 liters depending on water conditions for seasons worth of clean water. The reservoirs are made of a durable, lightweight construction with rugged RF welded seams. The clean reservoir is equipped with our 3-in-1 cap for easy drinking and pouring. Whether you're trail running, hiking, mountain biking, or camping, the trail-based water filter kit offers incredible versatility, ensuring you have the clean water you need in a solution that's perfect for your pursuit.
All right, so you made the decision to purchase one of the Rush Series bags. You got a reservoir of some kind, some type of hydration system, and now you're looking at the two and how do you get them to come together. And the first thing that you need to do is you need to get access to where you're going to be threading this hose. That's the most difficult portion, is threading the hose itself. To do that the most efficiently, you need to open up the main compartment of your backpack, and this counts across, this is the 72, this works for the 24 or the 12. So now I have access to the main compartment, and I'm going to fold the yoke, shoulder straps out of the way. I'm going to gain access to the hydration compartment. This little tab right here is what you're actually going to hang the hydration bladder from, should it come with a place to hang it. So you're going to thread it through. Now you need to determine which side of the backpack you want the hydration hose to come through. Let's just say we want it to come through this side. You're going to open it up. I recommend you push your finger through, find exactly where the hole is, and then you're going to route it up through the top of the backpack. Now you can utilize these straps right here. These could be used for molly. I wouldn't necessarily recommend putting anything on there as an accessory, but you can route the hose right underneath. So now it's coming down to this side of the bag. The reason I chose to go over the left-hand side is I personally like to loop mine through the elastic band on the chest strap connector, and there it is. The hydration pouch is now back here. I can zip this up after you fill it up. It's ready to go. I can close my backpack, it's routed, and you're ready to go. And that's how you hook up the hydration system to any of the Rush Series backpacks.